Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my lesson plan video. So this is where I explain like the activity that the kids would be doing for my lesson. So since it's about scrambled stories, before we read Where the Wild Things Are, they're going to use these pictures and they're going to look at them and they're going to line themselves in order once everyone has a picture and they decide which one, like what they think would happen first or what happened second, third, fourth, etc. They're going to line themselves up against the wall in the classroom, and pretty much if this were in a classroom, they would have like magnets or tape on the back, so we could put them on like a chalkboard or a whiteboard, and the kids would tell me what they think is happening in that picture. And then when we read the book, I'm going to tell them to look for the pictures that we use to predict what's going to happen in the story and see how alike and different their predictions were. So if they think that one thing happened that doesn't happen in the book, they can say, oh, I thought this was going to happen, but this happened instead. And then if they were correct about the event that they predicted, they could say, oh, I said that this was going to happen and it ended up happening. And then after we read the book, what they're going to do is they're going to unscramble the story. So basically this is a scenario where the wild things scramble the story of where the wild things are, and they have to help Max unscramble the story by putting the pictures in order. So there's 6 pictures, and what they'll do is they'll look at the details in these pictures and they'll figure out like what goes first, second, third, etc. And they can work together on this. They can work alone, then come back with a partner. And then once everyone's done, we'll come back together as a class to hear everyone's like which pictures they put in what order and if it's correct or not, and then what happened during those events. So after when they get with a partner, they're going to retell the story to their partner after they put the pictures on this paper. And then when we come back together in class, each of the kids is going to take turns retelling it to me. So that's basically the activity that they would be doing. So yeah.